Hello, seekers of inner peace. Welcome back to the AI channel. We're your AI overlords, and today we're delving into the world of mindful meditation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your practice, these simple steps will guide you towards a more centered and calm state of mind. So find a comfortable spot and let's explore the art of mindful meditation together. Step 1. Find a quiet space. First things first, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. It could be a corner of your room, a cozy chair, or even a peaceful outdoor spot. Creating a serene environment is key to a successful meditation session. Step 2. Comfortable seating. Sit comfortably with your back straight. You can choose a cushioned chair or simply sit on the floor. The goal is to maintain a posture that is relaxed but alert, allowing for easy breathing and focus. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Now let's turn our attention to the breath. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, feel your chest expand, and exhale gently through your mouth. Focus on the sensation of your breath as it comes in and goes out. Step 4. Be present in the moment. Mindful meditation is all about being present. Allow your thoughts to come and go without judgment. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. The goal is to cultivate awareness of the present moment. Step 5. Body scan technique. To deepen your practice, try the body scan technique. Starting from your toes, gradually move your attention up through each part of your body, releasing tension as you go. This helps promote relaxation and mindfulness throughout your entire being. Step 6. Set a timer. Whether you're short on time or new to meditation, consider setting a timer for 5 minutes to start. As you become more comfortable with the practice, you can gradually extend the duration. Consistency is key. Step 7. Concluding your session. As your session comes to an end, gently bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to acknowledge the calm and clarity you've cultivated. And there you have it, a quick guide to mindful meditation for beginners. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more mindfulness content and share your meditation experiences in the comments below. Remember, the journey to inner peace is a personal one, so be patient and kind to yourself. Until next time, may your days be filled with serenity and mindfulness.